Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so much. Today I have my Boxycharm, the regular Boxycharm, and the Ipsy Plus to look through. Now I do these together because the Boxycharm box is $21 a month and Ipsy Plus is $25 a month. So they're about the same price, and I just thought this is a good way to compare them. So when you open up Boxycharm, you always get one of these little cards that tells you about them. This is Boxy and Chill is the theme for the month. And then looking in here, this is what it looks like. I did open mine because I had a scent coming from it, which was odd. And this was leaking. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. This is a leave-in mask, so you spray it in, and it didn't leak a ton. Like, I'm not gonna contact Boxy or anything about it, but it did leak, and I had to clean up the mess. So that was the first thing. So I do know what I got. That's fine. That's something that I will use because leave-in hair treatments are something that I use on a regular basis. That retails for $16, and this is definitely not a full size. We're supposed to get 5 full sizes in each month, and this one is not, so that's kind of disappointing. Next in here is from Tarte. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it because I have this palette already. I was really disappointed that I got this one because they were giving out, they had 1, 2, 3, and then Sizzle, and I was hoping to get 1 or Sizzle because those are the 2 that I don't have. I have 2 and I have 3. That's what it looks like. So it's really pretty. It's not like the most practical palette. You need other things with it. But yeah, to get that one, I was really disappointed because that's not the one I wanted. I wanted Sizzle. That was the one I think everybody wanted and most people did not get. That retails for $36. Then the next thing in here is from Starlux. It is an eyeliner. I have no idea what color it is. This has beeswax in it. Oh, that's interesting. That makes me nervous because beeswax on my lips always causes a reaction. This retails for $19. That's expensive for a brand that I've never heard of. Have you heard of Starlux? Let me know what your thoughts are on that because it seems like a lot. And then the next one in here are 2 of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. I have never tried a Tatcha masks. I know that they have a lot of skincare that people really like. I have not been overly impressed with anything from Tatcha. I mean, they've been okay, but I haven't found anything that I love. And those retail for $24. I guess that's for 2 of them, so they're $12 a piece. I would hope they're not $24 a mask because that would be insane. And then finally, the last thing in here is from Bite Beauty. This is the Mouche Boost lipstick. It retails for $26. And this shade I got is Gin Fizz. Oh, that's pretty. That's actually maybe a color that I will wear. We'll swatch it. This reminds me of a Besame lipstick that I have, except it is a matte. This one is definitely more luminous, but that's kind of nice. So looking at Boxycharm, the lipstick, that's something that I probably will wear and I'm happy with. Bite is a terrible brand for me though because I never reach for them. I need to start using them more, but that's just how it is. The leave-in hair treatment I will use and that will be good. And these I will eventually use. I have so many sheet masks though. I found another container of sheet masks and I went, where did all of these sheet masks come from? I definitely don't need to buy any more sheet masks or masks for probably 2 years because I have 30 of them that are just brightening or pore refining, like anti-acne, not counting the antioxidant ones, or the anti-pollution, or the brightening, luminizing, or anti-aging. I have so many sheet masks. So these will eventually get used, but they probably won't get used till 2020 is my guess. This one, I don't like eyeliner. I never wear eyeliner, so it will be passed along, as will the Rainforest of the Sea that I already have. So, you know, kind of a 50-50 box. Half of it I'll use, half of it I won't. All right, next is my Ipsy box, and this is what it looks like. In here they do the blue, and then on top they always have the not the Happy New Year, the little thing that tells you about what's in each box. The first thing I'm pulling out of here is from Wander Beauty. This is the Unleashed Mascara, Volume and Curl Mascara. I just kind of used one of these up. It's an okay mascara. It doesn't flake on me, but I didn't feel like it really like darkened my lashes or it made them stand out. So it was okay. It wasn't my favorite. I don't hate it, but I'm probably going to pass that along because I have other ones that I'd rather use, and that does retail for $24. Next in here is from Violet Voss. This is the Holy Grail fun-sized eyeshadow palette, and I do have the full size of this palette, so I will be passing this one along as well. That's kind of so I realize there's only so many eyeshadow palettes out there, but it's kind of disappointing that we got 2 palettes this month. I got 2 palettes and I already have them both. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to show it really fast. It kind of reminds me of the Modern Renaissance, to be honest. And I have this really looks really similar to the other mini one that I got at Christmas that was a mini Violet Voss. Anyway, I just wish, like, you know, Boxy Looks had the full size in December, so to have this one in January, it's kind of sad because it's like, I just got this palette, I don't need it again. This retails for $18. I really like Violet Voss's formula. I've been really happy with everything that I've gotten from her. Next is from Ico. This is a black liquid eyeliner. We've gotten this so many times. I'm pretty sure this came in my first Ipsy, which really is annoying because that was October? I think October. So October and then another one in January. Like, there are other eyeliners, like, quit sending me eyeliner. I hate eyeliner. And you know that. It's in my profile. Like, and before I upgraded, they never sent me eyeliner, which was great. Because eyeliner and mascara were the 2 things I was always like, bleh, bad, I hate it. And they just eventually just stopped sending it. So I did think that the profiles worked, like doing all of the quizzes, that's what it is. Next up is from Murad. This is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. This is actually a pretty good moisturizer. I have used this in the past. This retails for $40. It's a nice lightweight lotion. It doesn't clog my pores, which is always really good. And I've gotten like the Murad Acne System before, so that one I'm excited to get. That's great. Next in here is from Vasante. This is a Matte Crush Lipstick Pencil. And this is in the shade Berry First Kiss. Aw, that's so cute. And in here, oh, you get a sharpener too, it looks like. That's kind of nice. So that's a nice big opening for the sharpener. And then this is the lip crayon. Oh, that's a really pretty color. I actually really like that. So that is the color. That is really pretty. I'll be interested in trying that one out for sure. Yeah, excited about that. And that retails for $23. I do like that you got the sharpener with it as well. Why do I have... Oh, I must have bought these 2. I was like, they're not on the list. I do have 2 brushes in here, which I must have done as add-ons. They were doing like the $3 add-ons. So that's what I'm assuming they are. This one is a Luxie brush. This is the small contour, and it does have like the divot in the handle. And then from SL Miss Glam, oh, it's so soft and pretty. And it does have like the little jewels on it. Really excited about those, obviously, because I picked them out. Not sure what those retail for because they're not on my little sheet. And then the last thing in here is from Hey Honey, which I have really enjoyed everything from Hey Honey that I have tried so far. This is a Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum, which I think is actually the serum that I really love. This expires in 2021, which is great because I'm trying to use up some of my other serums first, and it retails for $45. So looking at Ipsy, what do we get? What do I like? The moisturizer I'm happy about because I do think it is a good one. I don't really need any moisturizers, but that's fine. The serum, that is what I am most excited about because it is something that I know that I like and something that I definitely will use and enjoy. This is a really pretty lipstick color. I'm glad that they gave us a sharpener that actually will fit the product. So that's always a plus. So that's 3. And then we got our other 3. Oh, so we got 6 this month. Oh, that's kind of nice. Even though half of them I will be passing along because I already have this. They have sent me this so many times. I'm so sick of this. And this one, it's okay. And I think I saw spoilers that, is it Allure that's sending it out too? I feel like every box is getting that Wander Beauty mascara, which is a little frustrating because there's only so many mascaras you can use. Anyway, let me know what you got in your Ipsy Plus or Boxycharm. Did you get the same box as I did? Did you get different colors? Let me know. I love hearing what you got. I love watching unboxings. I watch them so much when I have time. Sometimes they're just playing as I'm doing grading and stuff. Anyway, I would love to know what you got, what you thought of these 2 boxes. I hope you are all having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.